Hello, welcome to our tutorial on Social Links widget. Are you struggling with improving your social presence? Promoting your social media profiles in your mobile store increases your social proof and improves the probability of conversions across different social media platforms. How? On your Swipecart dashboard, select App Design. Click the edit icon on your current design. In the widget panel drop-down, select Social Links to access the widget. Now, drag and drop your desired UI variant to your design section. Hover over the widget and select Add/Edit Content. In this window, you can add all your social media profiles. Select a platform, say Facebook. Add your profile URL in the URL field. If you the link to open outside the app, check this box. Click Add. Repeat the process to add all your social media profiles. If you want to add a custom profile, select the platform drop-down and click Add Custom. Enter the platform name. Now, upload a suitable icon from your computer. Finally, enter the URL of your profile. Click Add. If you have added all the profiles, select Save. To customize the design, select Edit Style. As you make changes here, you can see a preview on the right side mobile screen. In the Edit Style window, you can alter the radius, padding, and container padding. Use the widget title section to name your social link section. Further, alter the alignment, font size, letter spacing, font color, font style, and font weight from here. The background column lets you add custom colors or images. On selecting color, you can add a background color to your social link section. Click Image to upload a background image to your social link section. There are no limitations on the image size. Click None if you do not want to add either of these two. Save the changes. To make a copy of the social links, hover over the widget and select Copy Block. Now, go to the block where you want to paste it. Select Paste Block. In order to change the UI variant of your block, select Edit View. Here, you can switch to any other social link style. You can also delete the added widget. Just hover over the widget and click Remove Block. It is removed. Save the changes. If you wish to be the first to see the social links, select Preview to view it on a mobile device. You also have the option to see it on your Swipecart mobile app. Simply, click Try it on your device to scan the QR code and view access to your social media profiles on your mobile store. If you have any issues or queries, contact our support team. Thank you for watching.